In this video, I'd like to discuss the Vehicle Wrap Detailed Panels product. This is very similar to the standard Vehicle Wrap product, other than it allows for you to define each paneled print of each side of the vehicle. If we look at that inside of Sirius, if we're in control in an estimate under Vehicle Wraps, you'll see a product for Vehicle Wrap Detailed. If we go ahead and open up that product, the first thing it wants to know is the machine it's going to be printed on, the resolution of that machine, the make and model and wrap style of the vehicle. In this case, you could set up an exact vehicle, or you can set up general standards. We're going to use a general standard as an example. And you'll see as an example I have a minivan detailed panels. Wants to know the wrap style, whether it's a full wrap, third wrap, etc. The material type and the actual material being printed. If application tape is being used or if it's being laminated. Then we have the driver's passenger hood, roof, and rear. This is the overall sizes and very similar to the standard Vehicle Wrap product. If we want to break down these sizes, such as in this case we have the overall height of 56 by 162, if we wanted to say how that broke down into each printed panel, we can go into the side panels detail, and you'll see for driver's side we have the overall size, height and width, panel direction and placement. We're going to use this side in detail, meaning we're going to use the area from the detailed panels rather than the overall area. The rear panel is 56 by 42 with a bleed of 1 inch around all sides, and there's 2 of those. I could add a file name or any additional notes. Then I have my mirror and the front. They are numbered 1 through 4. This is the order of operation as well as the order that they print. I could then go to my passenger side and do the same thing. Hood, roof, rear, or other. Now once we've filled in the different detailed sides that we're going to use, you can then go into Window Perfs, Design, Add-ons, or Layouts, similar to the standard Vehicle Wrap product. Now if we look at the setup of these vehicles, if we're looking at the vehicle itself, you'll notice I have a minivan detailed panel. I can open that or view the part. Within that part, the Vehicle Wrap Minivan Detailed Panels, you'll see a number of tabs. The first one is the Vehicle Info. This is basically the overall information, similar to the standard Vehicle Wrap product, where you have your overall sizes, as well as any fixed or area-based charges. Then you get into the breakdown of each vehicle that each side that you may want to default. In this case, we were defaulting the driver's side, rear 56 by 142, bleed, etc. This is the default that pulled over for this vehicle. I could have gone in the estimate and overwrote these defaults or added more to it. But this is a way of storing vehicles with this type of information to be pulled later into future estimates or orders. We also have the hood, and these are typically all the same screens, just defined for a different part of the vehicle. The vehicle can also be set up in the Adjust Part Information screen, with all of it set up into a spreadsheet format. I hope this gives a good overview and explanation of the Vehicle Wrap Details Panels product. If you have any further questions, Please review our other videos or contact the Serious Implementation Department. Thank you.